So why do I mention night guards disturbing sleep? Well, some patients with sleep apnea or a tendency towards sleep apnea can actually make it worse by wearing a night guard. It basically props your jaw open and back further in a way that closes off your airway more. This doesn't happen for all patients, but it can happen for some based on your facial structure. So if you put in an over-the-counter night guard and it starts messing up your sleep, you probably need to have a custom sleep appliance made and/or ought to consider having a sleep study done to evaluate the quality of your breathing when you're asleep. We have some data from sleep studies that suggest nighttime clenching and grinding behaviors may be related to sleep apnea. Sleep apnea, that's when you stop breathing while you're asleep. Has a bunch of negative health effects. It's not good. You're gonna want to get that figured out if you have sleep apnea.